Every trip on your website starts the same way. A traveler clicks Book Now, enters the booking flow, and heads to checkout. That works for many travel businesses, but not everyone takes bookings the same way. Maybe you confirm trips through WhatsApp. Maybe you use a third-party booking platform. Or maybe you already have your own booking form. With the Custom Booking Link add-on for WP Travel Engine, you can replace the default booking flow with the one that fits your business. Simply choose between an external booking link or your own custom HTML. Send travelers to any page, like the contact page, or even display an embedded form or booking widget directly on the trip page. You can even override these settings for individual trips, giving you complete flexibility without changing your entire website. Just a booking experience that works the way your business already does? Get the Custom Booking Link add-on today and make every booking button work your way.